Hello and welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is Mangoes Round the Year, chapter 4 and part 1. In this chapter, we will read a story of three children. Three children, they were talking to each other about their lunchbox. Now, what they have brought, let's see. There are three children. First is Neetu, second is Aman, and third one is Preeti. Now, what Neetu is saying, see. Wow! Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Then Aman says, hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. And Preeti is saying, I have got bhindi. Now, one by one, they were telling what they have brought. Firstly, Neetu is saying that Aman has brought a sweet puris in their lunch box. And then Aman is saying Neetu has brought a potato sabji. After that, Preeti is saying, I have brought a bhindi. Then Aman is saying, oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. After, after watching her lunch box, he has seen this sabji has spoiled. So he is saying, your sabji is spoiled. Preeti is saying, don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi. Preeti is saying, your food has spoiled. That's why you don't eat that food, because if you will eat that food, you may fall sick. So I have brought a bhindi. That bhindi you will share with me. Next story is Bichi returned the bread. Now, Aman's, who is a boy, and his Bichi went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded, means in the shop there were many peoples who want to buy the grocery. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Bichi. So what happened? Bichi asked for a bread and shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Bichi. She looked at it and returned it immediately. After seeing a bread, she returned it back to the shopkeeper. Why she has begged it or why she has returned? Because he has seen the small spot and the green spots you can see in the picture. Have you seen it? That green one spot, that spot is fungus. Because of the fungus, she returned it back to the shopkeeper. Now, next story. How does food get spoiled? How does our food get spoiled? See, the whole class can do this experiment together. Take a piece of bread or roti. This experiment which I am reading, this experiment you can do at your home also. See, what is the experiment? Take a piece of bread or roti, whatever you are having at home, bread or roti. Sprinkle a few drops of water on it and put it in a box. What you will do? Sprinkle some drops of water, okay, on a bread or a roti, whatever you are having, and put it in a box. Close the box. See the bread or roti every day until you find some changes on it. Every day, what you will do? Daily you will check it in the box that what are the changes in it. Make this table on a chart paper and put it up in the classroom. Fill up the chart every day after discussing the changes seen. Means what you will do? You will make a chart and in that chart you will mention what you have seen in the box daily, what changes you have seen in the bread or a roti. The same changes you will write on a chart and put this chart on a classroom. Next, the question arises, what is food spoilage? The condition when our food becomes unfit for our consumption is called food spoilage. Means when the condition of your food become unfit, जब वो क्या होने लगता है, कंजप्शन नहीं होता है, वो क्या होता है, अनफिट होने लगता है, ख़राब होने लगता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड spoilage. That you can see in the picture also. You can see the fungus. आपको small green spots दिख रहे हैं. You can see white, आपको जाला टाइप का दिख रहा है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ फंगस. आप देखोगे कोई भी चीज़ आप जब बहुत दिनों तक उसे रख देते हो तो उसमें क्या होने लगते हैं, चेंजेस आने लगते हैं. लाइक यू विल फील अ स्मेल, उसमें स्मेल आने लगती है. यू विल सी अ ग्रीन स्पॉट्स, यू कैन सी अ वाइट नेट, ठीक है, आपको नेट जैसा दिखाई देता है. तो ऑल दीज चेंजेस यू विल गेट टू नो दैट दिस इज़ अ स्पॉइलेज ऑफ फूड. ये आपका फूड क्या हो रहा है, स्पॉइलेज हो रहा है, यानी कि स्पॉइल्ड हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द फंगस इन द फूड. Food gets spoiled because of the growth of microorganisms in it. And why the food spoiled? Because of the growth of the microorganisms. Microorganisms के grow होने से उसमें क्या होने लगता है, हमारा जो food है that will spoiled, वो spoiled होने लगता है. And which you cannot see. आप वो microorganisms देख नहीं सकते, but it can be grow day by day. Next question arises, what are the condition in which microorganisms grow? Means what is the condition, कौन सी ऐसी condition होती है when the microorganisms grow, वो grow करते हैं. Like presence of air, presence of moisture means water, और presence of warm temperature. अगर उसमें air लग रही हो, that मीन्स वट एवर फूड यू आर कैरिंग और कीपिंग, ठीक है, अगर उसमें एयर जा रही है दैट ग्रोज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. या अगर उस फूड में क्या हो रहा है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ मॉइस्चर, अगर पानी का मॉइस्चर हो रहा है, नमी हो रही है, दैट ग्रो और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. एंड द थर्ड वन, प्रेजेंस ऑफ वार्म टेम्परेचर, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म गर्म टेम्परेचर में रखते हैं तो दैट विल ग्रो अ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Microorganisms are present in the air, but we cannot see them with our eyes. I told you earlier that microorganisms are the thing that we cannot see it. It present in the air, it present in the moisture, okay, it present in the warm temperature, but you cannot see. When they get moist environment and warm temperature, they start to grow. When how it will grow, present in the air, present in the moisture, and present in the warm temperature. Now next question arises, what we can do to stop food from getting spoiled. Now हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे कि हमारा जो फूड है वो स्पॉइल ना हो. रिमूव द मॉइस्चर, ठीक है, दिस इज द वन कंडीशन that you can remove the moisture. Second one, remove warm temperature, remove the air and add food preservatives. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, उस फूड का मॉइस्चर अगर उसमें नहीं लगेगा तो it will not get spoiled, और अगर उसमें वार्म टेम्परेचर नहीं होगा बहुत ज़्यादा तो it will not get spoiled, और अगर उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा अगर एयर नहीं जाएगी तो it will not get spoiled, और you will add some preservatives. ठीक है, कुछ प्रिजर्वेटिव्स आप करके आप फूड को स्पॉइल्ड होने से बचा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज फूड प्रिजर्वेशन? द मेथड बाय विच वी कैन डिले prevent the food from getting spoiled. Means whatever the method you can use to prevent the food फ्रॉम गेटिंग द स्पॉइल्ड। प्रिजर्वेशन क्या होता है? फूड प्रिजर्वेशन मीन्स ऐसे मेथड यूज़ करना जिससे कि आपका जो फूड है इट कैन बी प्रिवेंट बाय गेटिंग अ स्पॉइल्ड, स्पॉइल होने से उसको प्रिवेंट करना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द मेथड ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन? अब क्या क्या मेथड होते हैं फूड प्रिजर्वेशन के? सी, फ्रीजिंग, बाय फ्रीजिंग it cannot be spoiled, by drying, by salting and pickling, by adding sugar, by smoking food, canning, vacuum preservation, adding preservatives. These are the method by this you can prevent your food by getting spoiled. जैसे कि आप फ्रिज, बाय अगर आप फ्रिज में रखते हैं तो इट कैन नॉट बी स्पॉइल्ड, ओके। एंड ड्राइंग, इफ़ यू विल कीप द फूड इन अ ड्राई, ठीक है, अगर आप ड्राई करके रखते हैं तो उससे भी इट विल नॉट बी स्पॉइल। तो दीज आर द मेथड, जैसे सॉल्टिंग, नमक डालने से, या आपने यू कैन सी द पिकलिंग, आप पिकल देखोगे, पिकल में कभी भी स्पॉइल नहीं होता बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉट ऑफ ऑयल और द स्पाइसेस। एडिंग शुगर लाइक जैम, these jam sauce, these are the things which cannot be spoiled easily, वो जल्दी spoil नहीं होते because of the lot of sugar. तो these are the methods by which you can prevent your food, ठीक है, and it cannot be spoiled easily. Next question, what are food preservatives? Food preservative prevent the growth of microorganisms and slow down the process of food spoilage. Food preservative means prevent the growth of microorganisms and slow down the process means you can slow down the process of food spoilage. Because of the food preservative, the microorganisms will not come easily and it will slow down the process of by spoiling the food. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.